Have you ever dreamed of traveling the world, exploring new cultures, and experiencing breathtaking adventures, all without breaking the bank? What if I told you that you can turn this dream into a reality by becoming a UGC travel creator? The travel industry is undergoing a revolution, and at the heart of it are passionate individuals like you, armed with smartphones and a love for exploring. Gone are the days when only celebrities and influencers got to travel the world for a living. Today, anyone with a story to tell and a desire to share their experiences can become a UGC travel creator. All you need is your unique perspective, a passion for travel, and the willingness to share your adventures with the world. So what exactly is a UGC travel creator? Simply put, it's someone who creates content, photos, videos, blog posts, social media updates about their travel experiences. It's about capturing the essence of a place, sharing its hidden gems, and inspiring others to follow in your footsteps. As a UGC travel creator, you become a storyteller, a cultural ambassador, and a guide for fellow travelers. Hotels, airlines, tourism boards, and travel brands are constantly looking for authentic and engaging content to promote their destinations and services. By creating high-quality UGC, you can collaborate with these brands, receive free trips, accommodations, and other perks in exchange for sharing your experiences with your audience. Now you might be thinking, that sounds amazing, but I'm not a professional photographer or writer. Can I still be a UGC travel creator? The answer is a resounding yes. Authenticity and passion are far more valuable than technical skills. People connect with real stories, genuine emotions, and relatable experiences. Whether you're a foodie who loves discovering local delicacies, an adventure seeker who thrives on adrenaline-pumping activities, or a history buff who gets lost in ancient ruins, there's a place for you in the world of UGC travel creation. Your passion is your greatest asset, and the world is waiting to hear your travel tales. One of the most alluring aspects of being a UGC travel creator is the unparalleled freedom and flexibility it offers. Imagine crafting a life where you're not bound by the constraints of a traditional 9-to-5 job, where the world becomes your office, and every day is an opportunity for adventure. As a UGC creator, you're in the driver's seat of your own destiny. You choose your destinations, set your own hours, and curate your travel experiences to align with your passions and interests. This level of autonomy extends beyond just choosing where and when you travel. You have the creative freedom to express yourself authentically through your content. Beyond the allure of free travel and flexible schedules, becoming a UGC travel creator offers a transformative journey of personal growth and empowerment. Stepping outside your comfort zone and immersing yourself in different cultures is an education unlike any other. It challenges your perspectives, broadens your horizons, and allows you to grow as an individual in ways you never thought possible. Imagine yourself navigating the bustling markets of Marrakesh or learning to cook traditional pad thai from a local family in Thailand. These experiences shape you into a more confident, adaptable, and globally aware individual. The skills you acquire, from photography and videography to social media marketing and content creation, are valuable assets that can open doors to new opportunities and ventures. Being a UGC travel creator isn't just about self-discovery. It's also about inspiring others to embrace the transformative power of travel. With every post you share, every story you tell, you have the potential to ignite a spark of wanderlust in others, encouraging them to break free from their routines and explore the world around them. Imagine the impact you can have by showcasing the beauty of sustainable tourism, highlighting local businesses, or sharing stories of cultural exchange. Your content can become a source of inspiration and information for fellow travelers, helping them plan their own adventures and experience the world in a more mindful and meaningful way. The connections you forge with your audience as a UGC travel creator extend far beyond the digital realm. Remember, as a UGC travel creator, you have the opportunity to make a difference, not just in your own life, but in the lives of others as well. So, you're ready to trade your desk for dazzling destinations and swap spreadsheets for stunning sunsets? Fantastic! But before you pack your bags and buy that one-way ticket, let's lay the groundwork for a successful journey as a UGC travel creator. The first step? Discovering your niche. Think of your niche as your travel personality, the unique lens through which you experience and share your adventures. Are you drawn to adrenaline-pumping activities like hiking, diving, and exploring off-the-beaten-path destinations? Perhaps you're a foodie at heart, eager to uncover hidden culinary gems and share your love for local flavors. Embrace what makes you unique, because authenticity is your greatest asset. Whether you're a budget backpacker, a luxury traveler, or somewhere in between, there's an audience eager to connect with your genuine experiences and unique perspective. Now that you've identified your travel tribe, it's time to build a portfolio that showcases your skills and captivates your audience. Think of your portfolio as your travel resume, a visual representation of your experiences, creativity, and ability to tell compelling stories. Don't worry, you don't need to be a professional photographer or videographer to create stunning content. Start with what you have. Your smartphone is a powerful tool, capable of capturing breathtaking photos and videos with a little practice and creativity. While stunning visuals are essential, don't underestimate the power of words. Craft engaging captions that tell a story, share your emotions, and connect with your audience on a deeper level. Consider starting a blog or website to share longer-form content like travel guides, itineraries, and personal anecdotes. In the digital age, social media is your passport to reaching a global audience. But with so many platforms and ever-changing algorithms, it can feel like navigating a labyrinth. Don't worry, we'll guide you through the essentials. First, choose your platforms wisely. Instagram is a visual paradise, perfect for showcasing stunning photography and short, engaging videos. YouTube allows for more in-depth storytelling, while TikTok thrives on creativity and short-form entertainment. Once you've chosen your platforms, focus on creating high-quality, consistent content that aligns with your niche and resonates with your target audience. Use relevant hashtags to expand your reach and engage with other travel enthusiasts. Now let's talk about the part you've all been waiting for: getting paid to travel. Partnering with brands is an exciting way to turn your passion into a source of income, but it's essential to approach these collaborations strategically. Start by building a strong online presence and cultivating an engaged audience. Brands are looking for creators who align with their values, have a loyal following, and can authentically showcase their products or services. Reach out to brands you admire, but be selective. Choose collaborations that genuinely excite you and align with your niche and values. When pitching to brands, highlight your unique selling points, showcase your portfolio, and outline your proposed collaboration ideas. Remember, successful brand partnerships are mutually beneficial, so always strive to deliver high-quality content and exceed expectations. Meet Sarah, a former accountant who traded her calculator for a camera and embarked on a solo backpacking trip around Southeast Asia. Initially, she started sharing her experiences on social media simply to stay connected with loved ones back home. But as her captivating photos of ancient temples, vibrant markets, and breathtaking landscapes garnered attention, she realized she had stumbled upon something special. Sarah's feed wasn't just a collection of pretty pictures. It was a testament to the transformative power of solo female travel. She shared her fears, her triumphs, and the invaluable lessons she learned along the way, inspiring countless women to step outside their comfort zones and embrace the world on their own terms. Her authenticity resonated with a growing community of like-minded adventurers, and soon, brands took notice. For years, Jessica felt trapped in a soul-crushing corporate job, dreaming of the day she could escape the confines of her cubicle and explore the world. She spent her lunch breaks scrolling through travel blogs, her evenings researching destinations, and her weekends planning mini adventures to satisfy her wanderlust. Then she discovered the world of UGC travel creation. Armed with her smartphone and a newfound determination, Jessica started documenting her weekend getaways and local discoveries. Her passion for sustainable travel and responsible tourism shone through her content, attracting a loyal following of eco-conscious adventurers. As her online presence grew, so did her opportunities. Maria never considered herself a travel influencer. As a passionate foodie with a love for exploring different cultures through their cuisine, she started a blog simply to share her culinary adventures with friends and family. From trying street food in Bangkok's bustling markets to learning to make pasta from scratch in a Tuscan farmhouse, Maria's blog was a celebration of flavors, aromas, and the joy of connecting with different cultures through food. What set Maria apart wasn't fancy photography or perfectly curated Instagram feeds. It was her genuine passion for food and her ability to transport her readers to the bustling streets of Hanoi or the cozy trattorias of Rome through her vivid descriptions and heartfelt storytelling. Her audience connected with her authenticity, her love for food transcending language barriers and cultural differences. Soon, restaurants and food tour operators took notice, inviting Maria to experience their offerings and share her honest reviews with her engaged audience. While many aspiring UGC travel creators dream of sponsored trips and luxurious accommodations, Lisa had a different vision. As a passionate advocate for sustainable tourism, she wanted to use her platform to promote responsible travel practices and support local communities. She started by showcasing eco-friendly accommodations, highlighting local artisans and businesses, and sharing tips for minimizing her environmental impact while traveling. Lisa's commitment to ethical and sustainable travel resonated with a growing audience of conscious travelers seeking authentic experiences that benefited both people and the planet. She went beyond social media, launching her own website and online shop featuring ethically sourced goods from her travels. Lisa's journey is a testament to the power of aligning your passions with your purpose, building a sustainable travel business that goes beyond the fleeting allure of likes and creates a lasting impact. Safety first. Navigating the world with confidence. Safety is a common concern, especially for solo travelers. With careful planning and awareness, you can mitigate risks. Research destinations, share your itinerary, and trust your instincts. If a situation feels unsafe, remove yourself. Consider personal safety devices for added security. Your safety is paramount. Always err on the side of caution. Section 2. The sustainability question, traveling responsibly in a UGC world. In the age of over-tourism and climate change, it's more important than ever to address the sustainability elephant in the room. As a UGC travel creator, you have a responsibility to minimize your impact on the planet and promote responsible travel practices. Start by embracing slow travel. Instead of trying to tick off as many destinations as possible, immerse yourself in fewer places, supporting local businesses, and engaging with the local culture. Choose eco-friendly accommodations that prioritize sustainability, minimize waste, and conserve resources. Be mindful of your carbon footprint. Consider alternative modes of transportation, such as trains or buses when possible. Offset your flights through reputable carbon offset programs to neutralize your environmental impact. Remember, every small action counts, and by making conscious choices, you can contribute to a more sustainable and responsible travel industry. Section 3. Work-life balance on the road. Finding your rhythm in the roam. The allure of a life filled with adventure and freedom is undeniable, but let's be real. Being a UGC travel creator isn't always glamorous. It requires dedication and hard work. Finding a healthy work-life balance is crucial. Set realistic expectations. It's easy to get caught up in social media, but you don't need to be constantly creating content. Schedule work hours and stick to them. This helps avoid burnout and enjoy downtime. Prioritize self-care. Traveling can be demanding. Make time for activities that nourish your soul, whether it's practicing yoga, indulging in a massage, or curling up with a good book. Taking care of your well-being ensures you're inspired to create your best work. Section 4. The comparison trap. Staying true to your journey. In the world of perfectly curated Instagram feeds, it's easy to fall prey to the comparison trap. Remember, social media often presents a highlight reel. Focus on your own journey and celebrate your unique strengths. Authenticity is magnetic. Embrace your passions and share your experiences authentically. Section 1. The world awaits. Your UGC adventure starts now. Turn your wanderlust into reality. Remember scrolling through endless travel photos, dreaming of far-off adventures? Now inspire others with your unique stories. Trade daydreams for plane tickets. Don't let fear hold you back. The world is waiting to be explored. Embrace the unknown and let your spirit soar. You don't need 1 million followers to start, just your unique perspective and passion. Your next adventure could be just a plane ticket away. So pack your bags and take that first step. The world awaits.